for fish.
G for goat, H for hat, I for igloo. J for jar, K for kangaroo, L for lion. M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange.
P for panda, Q for queen, R for rabbit. S for snake, T for tiger, U for umbrella.
V for violin, W for whale, X for x-ray. Y for yak, Z for zebra.